Next is third, division of a polynomial by a polynomial. So in this we will divide a polynomial by another polynomial. To understand this, we will go through an example. Here we will divide 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 18 by x square minus 2x plus 3. So this first polynomial is our dividend and the second polynomial is our divisor. Clear? So solution. Arrange the term of the dividend and the divisor in descending order of their degree. So it is already in descending order of their degree. In next step, divide the first term of the dividend. So first term of the dividend is 5x cube by the first term of the divisor. By the first term of the divisor. So the first term of the divisor is x square. To obtain the first term of the quotient. So when we will divide 5x cube by x square, we will get 5x. So 5x is the first term of the quotient. Clear? Now multiply all the term of the divisor by the first term of the quotient. So x square into 5x is 5x cube minus 2x into 5x is minus 10x square plus 3 into 5x is plus 15x. In next step we will change the sign. So this negative will become positive and this positive will become negative. After that we will subtract. These two are cancelled with each other because they have equal and opposite sign. In next step minus plus is minus. So 10x square minus 4x square is 6x square. Here plus minus is minus. So minus as it is, 15 minus 3 is 12x and plus 18 as it is. Again we will divide the first term of the dividend. Here our dividend is, the first term of our dividend is 6x square by the first term of the divisor. First term of the divisor is x square. So when we will divide 6x square by x square, we will get 6. So multiply all the term of the divisor by the second term. Here second term is our 6. So we will multiply x square minus 2x plus 3 by 6. By multiplying x square minus 2x plus 3 by 6, we will get 6x square minus 12x plus 18. After that again we have to change their sign because we are subtracting these two polynomials. These two are cancelled with each other. Again equal but opposite in sign, cancel with each other. Here plus 18 and minus 18 equal but opposite in sign. So they are cancelled with each other. So our remainder is 0. Therefore 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 18 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 6. Now next example, find the quotient and the remainder when 7 plus 15x minus 13x square plus 5x cube divided by 4 minus 3x plus x square. Solution. Arrange the term of dividend and the divisor in descending order. So this is our dividend and this is our divisor. So we will arrange it in a proper form. So it will become 5x cube minus 13x square plus 15x plus 7, and the divisor will become x square minus 3x plus 4. Now we will divide 5x cube minus 13x square plus 15x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 4. So the first term of the dividend is 5x cube. We will divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So when 5x cube is divided by x square, we will get 5x. So 5x is the first term of the quotient. So we will multiply the whole divisor by 5x. By multiplying the divisor x square minus 3x plus 4 by 5x, we will get 5x cube minus 15x square plus 20x. Now we will subtract the result from the dividend. So for subtracting, we have to change the sign of the this polynomial. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. Now these two, the first term are equal, but they have opposite sign. So they are cancelled with each other. In next, minus 13x square and plus 15x square. So that the difference of 15x square and 13x square is 2x square. In next, the difference of minus 20x plus 15x is minus 5x and plus 7 as it is. Now our new dividend is this 2x square minus 5x plus 7, and the divisor is same, x square minus 3x plus 4. Now we will divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So 2x square divided by x square, we will get 2. Now we will multiply whole divisor with 2. When we will multiply x square minus 3x plus 4 by 2, we will get 2x square minus 6x plus 8. Now we will subtract the result from the dividend. Again, these two are equal but in opposite in sign, so they are cancelled with each other. So plus minus is minus. So 6x minus 5x is x, and minus plus is minus. So minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. Therefore the quotient is 5x plus 2 and the remainder is x minus 1. Means when we will divide 5x cube minus 13x square plus 15x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 4, our quotient is 5x plus 2 and remainder is x minus 1.